everyone. Now we are going to discuss about ions. Basically, ion means charge. We can define that an atom or a group of atoms carrying a charge is called ion. We know that charge can be of two types, plus and minus. This plus is known as positive charge, and in language of chemistry it is known as cation, and negative charge in the language of chemistry is known with the name of anion. So those ions which carry positive charge are called as cations, and the examples are sodium ion, magnesium, ammonium and aluminium ion. Those ions which carry negative charges are called anions. Chlorine having a negative charge known as chloride ion. Hydroxide ion, sulfate ion. Now let's come on the formation of ions. We know that an atom contains proton, electron and neutron. See here, suppose this is a nucleus and the nucleus contains proton and neutron. The nucleus is surrounded by the shells in which electrons revolve. It is to be noted that proton is positively charged. Electron is negatively charged and neutrons are electrically neutral and carries no charge. It is to be noted that during the formation of ions, these electrons play a very important role. If electron is given out, if electron is lost, then it comes a positive charge on the atom. Then it is known as cation. If electron is gained, extra electron comes, then it gains a negative charge and it is known as anion. So, proton has no direct role in the formation, but electron plays a direct role in the formation. Here it is written that atom is electrically neutral because atom contains equal number of protons and electrons. But whenever there is an imbalance between electrons and protons, it results in the formation of ions, and the ions are formed by the loss or gain of the electrons. If the atom is losing electron, it will form a cation because there will be excess protons. If the atom is gaining the electron, then it will form an anion, negative charge, because it will having an excess of electrons. Now let us come on the formation of cation. As we have just discussed that cation is formed by the loss of electron. Now we discuss about the sodium. So this Na is known as sodium atom, and in normal state it contains 11 electron and 11 proton. In this situation it is electrically neutral. But when it loses one electron, this sign represents the loss of one electron. It results in 10 electron and 11 proton. Now there is an excess of one proton, therefore it will gain plus charge. Now Na plus is known as sodium ion. Therefore it is written as sodium atom loses an electron, means it is losing one electron. The number of electron becomes less than the number of protons in the species. As you can see, 10 electrons are less than 11 protons. As a result, sodium ion is formed, and therefore sodium ion formed has 1 unit of positive charge because there is an imbalance of only 1 electron, hence written as a sodium plus. This is the representation of sodium ion. Now let us discuss the formation of magnesium cation. In normal state, it has electrons, 12 electrons and 12 protons. In this case, it is electrically neutral. But when magnesium atom loses 2 electrons, this is the sign of losing 2 electrons. It has only 10 electrons, but protons are 12. Therefore, it gains a positive charge of plus 2 because it is deficient of 2 electrons. Now let us discuss about the formation of anion. An anion is formed by the gain of electrons. For example, this chlorine. Normally, it has 17 electrons and 17 protons. Here it is neutral and it is known with the name of chlorine atom. But when it gains 1 electron, therefore it gains a unit negative charge and it is represented by Cl minus. Now what are polyatomic ions? Polyatoms means more than one atom, or you can say group of atoms. The group of atom is carrying a charge. Then it is known as polyatomic ion. For example, ammonium ion. This is ammonium ion. PO4 3 minus, that is phosphate ion. Similarly, SO4 2 minus, that is sulfate ion. Now we discuss about the valency of an ion. So the valency of an ion is same as the charge carried by that ion. Magnesium ion, that is Mg2 plus. Then the valency of magnesium here is 2 because it contains a charge of plus 2. Similarly, here the valency is 1 because there is a unit positive charge.